Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? 818 How To. Thank you so much for joining me on this channel. My name is Savio, and in today's video, I'm going to show you one quick, simple recipe. Okay, and it's something I really enjoy eating a lot, which is avocados. And I'm going to teach you how to make it with 3 simple ingredients. And the simple ingredients are minced onion, some garlic powder, and of course, a dash of lemon. Hope you can see it. With these 3 ingredients, you're gonna enjoy this one. So I'm gonna show you how to prepare delicious avocado Savio style. Alright, so here goes. The nice netting and avocados are inside of it, and I'm just gonna get the avocado which I feel is the one that is ripe, and so I'm gonna go for this one. Right, so nice beautiful looking avocado. Of course, I'm gonna take this little sticker off. I mean, you could do it both ways. I like cutting it, slicing it up in half, okay, and then just run the knife around it. And like so. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that, look at that. That's so awesome. Beautiful avocado. I love it. Alright, now, next thing we gotta do is make sure we have our bowl ready. And what I like doing is I like using the spoon, little spoon for a little avocado. And just look how easily the flesh from the inside comes out. So beautiful. Just run your spoon around the skin of the avocado from the inside, and you should get some beautiful avocado pulp. Look at that. How great is that? And I like, I don't like wasting. Every bit of it I'm trying to get out. Okay, until I can just get some more, until it's all out. And you can make this with several avocados. I'm going to be using just one avocado. I'm going to also just take this little seed out of the avocado, pull it out, but of course I'm just using my fingers to actually pull it out from there. Take that one out and do the same thing. Gradual peeling of this avocado. Trying to get every bit of goodness, avocado goodness. Like so. Until you get down to perfect. That looks awesome. Alright, so once that's done, what I like doing is I like mashing it up. Just like mashing it up. It kind of reminds me of this fruit called guava. The color of avocado and just the way it looks. I mean, of course, guava has a ton of seeds, but this just comes with just one seed. But the look of it, look how green it is, and just that little yellowish green color. Just awesome. So awesome. Alright, so once that's mashed and it's really mashed into little bits and pieces, what I like doing is adding my favorite 3 ingredients, and I might also add a 4th ingredient, and you probably would have guessed what the 4th ingredient is. If you haven't, I'm going to still keep it as a suspense. So first things first, I'm going to use garlic powder, okay, garlic powder, and I'm just going to use a dash of it, okay. I'm not going to be going overboard, and it's a good idea to just have it in your hand. Maybe I'm gonna use some more, and you can just there's no set recipe as in, oh, you got to use so much, or depending how much how garlicky you want it, and how many avocados you're using. So that's pretty much it for garlic powder. Then I'm gonna use onion, minced onion actually. And if you haven't seen what minced onion looks like, well, it's just a dry form of onion. Just bring it closer to my palm. So I'm going to use around this so much, you know, maybe like a teaspoon of minced onion. Just put it in, and then finally some lemon juice. Okay, I wish I had, if I had an actual lemon, I would have used it. So if you have an actual lemon, might as well use it. But I'm just going to add the juice for now, just a little bit. That's it. Don't want to make it too lemony or too sour. And then my fourth final ingredient would be a dash of some salt. Okay, just gonna use a little bit of salt, maybe just a little pinch of salt, and just sprinkle it all around. Okay, like so, and that looks pretty good. All I gotta do is just toss it around and mash it some more, so that I get the flavor of the garlic, the onion, the lemon, and of course salt to taste for that, you know, just that right flavor and right kick. So that's what it is gonna be looking like, and it is a wrap. Okay, so that's pretty much very simple. It takes less than 5 minutes, of course, because I'm making the video, it's taking a little longer, but hey, if you are hungry and you need a snack, I suggest you have this. It's filling, and it's, you know, you can of course make it with 3 or 4 avocados depending how much you want it, in a batch maybe. And you can also have it with some tortilla chips, and it's going to be fantastic. And now for the taste test. Just have it. Oh wow. Awesome. It is seriously amazing. Wow. I'm getting the flavor of the salt and the onion powder, the minced onions I mean, and of course the garlic powder, and it's just so good. And of course the lemon. Amazing. Amazing, guys. This is a real deal, gotta say. Alright, thank you so much for joining me on 8181 How To. If you enjoyed this video, click the like. Yeah, you gotta click the like, click the subscribe, share the video, and if you wish to comment on the video, go ahead. You're on the 8181 How To channel. My name is Savio. Hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.